In a quiet, lush garden, there lived a tiny, timid moth named Mimi. She was unlike the other moths, for she had a peculiar curiosity about the world outside her home. One day, Mimi noticed a strange cocoon hanging from a branch. Intrigued, she approached it, her eyes wide with wonder. She gently touched the cocoon, feeling a strange warmth emanating from within. "What is that?" Mimi asked the wind, but it only sighed and rustled its leaves in response. Mimi decided to watch the cocoon every day, hoping to catch a glimpse of whatever was inside. Days turned into weeks, and the cocoon remained unchanged. Mimi began to lose hope, but her curiosity kept her vigilant. One sunny afternoon, as Mimi sat under the tree, she saw a tiny crack appear on the cocoon. Her heart fluttered with excitement. She watched as the crack grew larger, and soon, a small hole revealed a pair of glimmering wings. Mimi gasped in amazement as a beautiful butterfly emerged from the cocoon. It was more radiant and vibrant than any moth she had ever seen. The butterfly fluttered its wings, shaking off the last remnants of the cocoon. Mimi approached the butterfly, her eyes filled with questions. The butterfly, sensing her curiosity, spoke, "You see, Mimi, I was once like you, confined and unaware. But I chose to trust the process, to embrace the unknown, and now, I am free." Mimi looked at the butterfly, her eyes reflecting a newfound understanding. "But why did you have to hide inside that cocoon? It didn't seem comfortable at all." The butterfly smiled. "The cocoon was not meant to be comfortable, Mimi. It was a place of transformation, where I was shaped into something more beautiful than I could have ever been on my own." Mimi nodded, understanding dawning upon her. "So, the cocoon was not a prison, but a gift?" The butterfly nodded, "Exactly, Mimi. Embrace the unknown, trust the process, and remember, it's in the darkest cocoons that the most beautiful butterflies are born." And so, Mimi learned a valuable lesson that day. She realized that sometimes, the most uncomfortable situations are not to be avoided, but embraced, for they are often the catalyst for transformation and growth. And with this newfound wisdom, Mimi grew from a timid moth into a brave, curious, and wise creature, ready to face the world and all its mysteries.